Okay, we're gonna take a drive. Oops. Okay, we're gonna take a drive. We're gonna go up to pay my house payment and the space rent. So we're gonna go up to Albertsons and get a money order, and we'll go drop it off. But I think we're just gonna cruise through town today instead of hitting the highway. We've done the highway drive a couple times, so we'll just go through town today. Oops, I don't know if you could hear any of what I said, but we're gonna drive through town. We're gonna go up and get a money order so I can pay my trailer payment and my space rent. And we're not going on the highway because I've done that drive now a couple times. We're gonna just go through town, and yeah, I think we'll go up. Melrose today. Because of all the road stuff that they're doing down on Pine and stuff, so we'll just go down Rose Street. And I think instead of Melrose, we might go down Rose until we get to Isaacs, and then follow Isaacs up. That would be nice. That's a different one. That's what we'll do. That's what we'll do today. We'll go up Rose Street, follow it till it runs into Isaacs. Follow Isaacs up to Eastgate. Taco Bell, Kentucky Fried Chicken, A&W, Jimmy John's Barbecue is on the left, Pizza Hut's on the left, and the Marriott Hotel is behind Pizza Hut. It's called the Courtyard Marriott. This is a juvenile detention center on the right, and this is the municipal court coming up here on the right. This is the municipal court right there, district court. And this is the Mexican store. It's a really good store. Right here is the old police department. And where they have the Saturday market is right there. This is 2nd Street we're going through. Chevron on the left. The land title Walla Walla is on the right. And some bars and bank. The VFW is up here on the left. VFW's up here on the left on Colville and Rose. Used to be a car dealership here, but they're not there anymore. On the right. We got, whoops. Got Safeway on the left. Got Sears on the right. It's just like a catalog store. And we got a, ooh, I wonder what they're doing there. See, the hotel, I used to work at this hotel on the right when it wasn't such an ugly color. Got a fence all the way around it. It says danger. I wonder what the heck they're doing. Huh. Kind of curious about that. Sidewalk closed. Use other side. Looks like they're remodeling. They're gonna tear it down. They're taking everything out of there. Wow. I had no idea. I just don't go down this road that often, I suppose is why. Now Rose Street is gonna run into Isaac Street as soon as we go around this corner. And here's Whitman College on the right. Coming up here, this is Whitman College on the right. And we have a lot of the, this is still Whitman College. So they're doing some work there. They have, the fraternities are coming up here on the left, which we'll see when we come back home. There's one right here on the left, Beta Theta Pi on the left, and Call Rappa Epsilon, and I don't know what EX is. That's that one. There's three of them right there in a row. Now we're on, this light is Clinton Street. This is a really good sub shop here on the right. Tony's Sub Shop. They've got really good sandwiches there. We've got the grade school here on the left, and it's, gosh, what is the name of that? Green Park Elementary. It's a very old school, but they've remodeled and added on. Very nice neighborhood. Madison Street, we just went by. I used to live on that street. This is North Division Street. Building for lease here on the right. I wonder what that was before. We are, as I said, on Isaac Street now. I'm going to stay in this lane. This is a thrift, Yeehaw Aloha Thrift Vintage Antiques on the left. Here on the right. I've never been there. Got Mean Court Chinese Restaurant and Lounge. That's a pretty popular place. You got the Green Lantern Tavern on the right. A lot of people like that. It's a lot of people go there and party. We got Ramada Mexican Family Restaurant on the right. And that seems to be a pretty popular destination. We're on Roosevelt. This light is Roosevelt Street. There on the right, there's a guitar store, Performance Auto and Sound, Jiffy Lube, Economy Glass, Burger King, Napa Auto Parts, Automan on the left, Calhoun's Tavern on the left, and they got a 24-hour fitness place on the left. Maytag equipped laundry coin up and drop off laundry on the left, Arby's on the left, Chevron on the right, Dollar Tree on the right, Hapo Bank on the right, Car Wash on the left, LT Nails Asia Oriental Store on the right, Rite Aid on the right, Shell gas station on the right, McDonald's on the right, Les Schwab is up here on the right. We're going to go to Albertsons here on the left. I'm going to turn you off here for a minute and go into Albertsons.